This 2024 Jayco Eagle HT 29 DDB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.